We're talking, we saw Thomas appearing. Look at this steam. Thomas with this steam is kind of rare. Hi Thomas. Oh, this Thomas talks.
There, hop aboard.
Really a Thomas land. Huge fun. This Reneas. You can sit there, look at this. So this is a ride, number 2 written. You can see Happy Reneas. So the cranberry farm. Oh, look at this Reneas. Huge Reneas with cart. This is the cart. It says Solar Cranberry Farm. Going to other engine. And it's Sir Handel. Look at this Sir Handel. Oh, look. You can see Sir Handel better. Sir Handel has a long funnel, huh? Like this cool car. And Sir Handel, Millie. And do I have to tell you what it is? Skarloey. That's really cool Skarloey. You can see all the engines have really big funnel. Long funnel, and that makes it look really cool. They are so beautifully made. The ride starts here. Sir Handel, Reneas, Skarloey, Sir Handel, and Reneas. This ride's name is Solar Cranberry Cars. This is troublesome track roller coaster. So this space is in front of the ride, and you can also see the back of the Bertie's Bus Tour. The Bertie the Bus ride, we just came across. It's cool. This is the ride. I just shoot some, capture some videos from Bertie the Bus ride. From Bertie the Bus.
Over there, look how high we are. We're like as high as the trees.
Is this fun, Yaya? How do you feel?
Like it's jumping.
Woo!